Hi everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about speaking in front of camera, how it's gonna help you, and what would be benefit when you will able to speak in front of camera. As you know, now it's time for social medias, and everybody just wanna come on social medias, and they just wanna create something. But the question is, if you also one of them who is living in 2025 and you might be for once thought about why not to come on social medias, why not to create something our own. We all are expending our time on this social medias platform, but somehow we come at a point where we think, I wish I should also create something on this social media. So why it is very important to know how to speak in front of camera. If you know how to speak in front of camera, you are able to create something by yourself. Like if you know how to speak in front of camera, you can create a social media's account like on Instagram or YouTube, where you can share your experience, the things that you have learned in your back days. You can tell to the audience. If you know how to speak, then you will able to create your own content. And the other benefit, when you know how to speak in front of camera, you will able to articulate your thoughts. You will able to keep your thoughts in front of people in a clear way, that this is the things which you want to tell to the publics, and this is how you gonna tell you. So these are the benefit of it when you know how to speak in front of camera. The next questions comes in our mind, how we can become a confident speaker in front of camera. To become a confident speaker in front of camera, you don't have to do so many things. You just only need to focus on 4 areas. First, write down something that you want to tell to the audience. Second, try to articulate that thoughts in a clear way. And third, record yourself each and every single day the things which you have written in your script. And four, deliver. The way you want to deliver to the audience, just go and try to speak in that way. Other question arises in our mind, why we need to start speaking in front of camera. So if you know how to speak in front of camera in your professional life, you're gonna get so many benefit of it. For example, if you are in a business and in a sales and you wanna sell something to the people, and if you know how to communicate with people, then you will be able to sell that product to that person. So this is how it's very important. And the other example I'm gonna give you in this video, that is, if you are in a public place where you are totally new, and when you meet with someone, maybe there would be so many people and you want to have conversation with them. If you know how to speak in front of camera, then there would be a confidence inside of you, and you will go there and without hesitation first move your hand and tell them that, hi, my name is this, and what's your name and what you do. So basically you will start your communication at that point. Why? Just because of you know how to communicate in front of camera. That's boost your confidence level. That's why you will be able to speak in front of public. So this is why you just need to master this language, and that's why I'm here. I'm also mastering my skill of public speaking, and also when I speak in front of camera confidently, and that's what I'm just doing all the time. So thank you very much for watching this video up to the last, and I hope we will meet in another videos.